Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. Once you're there, scroll to the Physical and Motor section, then tap Touch. This gets you to the AssistiveTouch control panel where the floating accessibility dot originates. Make sure you have your device unlocked, and if needed, your passcode ready. You'll be making a direct change. Now move to AssistiveTouch. Don't wander into other menus, because the visible floating dot is controlled here and we'll remove it in the next step. You'll see AssistiveTouch at the top of the touch screen. Tap it. Then toggle AssistiveTouch to off. This immediately removes the floating dot. Once done, make sure the setting stayed off by backing out and reopening the menu. Sometimes Accessibility Shortcut can re-enable it with a triple click. To prevent that, go back to Accessibility, scroll to Accessibility Shortcut at the bottom, and confirm AssistiveTouch is not selected. Doing both steps stops the dot from returning unexpectedly. You're almost done. After turning AssistiveTouch off and checking the Accessibility Shortcut, restart your iPhone to clear any lingering display artifacts. If the dot still appears, verify voice control and guided access aren't active. Both can overlay controls. Make sure triple-click shortcuts don't include AssistiveTouch so it won't come back. If problems continue, update iOS and try toggling AssistiveTouch again. Troubleshooting tip: restart first. Most persistent on-screen dots vanish after a reboot, so don't skip it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.